have not written WhatsApp broadcast list. I have written WhatsApp broadcast lists. Add all the people who are there in your list, whom you know must have saved your number, add all of them and send them a message every day. That is what being a shameless self-promoter is. Let people say to you, come on, why do you send me those links every single day? That should happen. And what would you do then? You would do it even more often. You need to ensure that. When people block you, that means that you're doing the right thing. They're getting to know about you. They're able to create that awareness. You are able to create that visibility for you. And that is exactly what you got to do. Understand, if a person is not ready to even click on a like button for you, those kind of friends are not required in our life. Keep your circle small. Keep your circle with only those kind of people who are going to add more value in your life. That is the thing. And that is how you would be able to get all those opportunities going for you. Simple. And you are reaching out to your friends, you are reaching out to people. If there is somebody who just cannot subscribe to your button, to your channel, who cannot follow you on Instagram, what's the point of having such friends? You get it, right? You need to have the right people in your life. Otherwise, if there's a friend who just cannot take out 2 seconds from their life to click on that like button for you, why do you even need those people in your life, man? I wouldn't want them. Never, ever. So create that WhatsApp broadcast list, reach out to people and create that awareness for yourself. And if you realize all the modes that I have shared with you till now, none of them is a mode wherein you are required to put in a lot of money. That's the thing. Somebody has asked me, would we be able to reach out to the right audience on a daily basis only to them? You cannot figure out who's the right fit for you if you're just reaching out to them on WhatsApp. Do you agree? Having that customer avatar is important, but creating awareness is so very important when you reach out to people. So simple. Neha Mahajan says, I love the way you say block you means you're doing the right thing. Of course. See, first slide. What was our first slide over here? You need to have 100% confidence about your product. You know that you are helping people. You know that you are serving people. You know that you are really helping people create that awareness and to get those results in their life. So when you are 100% aware about it, even then if somebody is not supporting you, no point being with that. Those people don't deserve to be in your life. Think about it. Somebody is saying, I'm thinking of deleting those friends who did not subscribe to my channel. Of course. Let them go. Your circle should be small. Understand, your circle should be small. Exactly what Sagar has written right now. It is like filtering your circle. 110%. 110%. Somebody has said same thing goes for my relatives. I get it. You need not say that to me. I have faced that. And now I'm like, that's all right. All of them are a part of the journey, right? So don't worry about those things. So a WhatsApp broadcast list has to be there. And therefore you would be able to get in front of people repeatedly and create more awareness and able to create those results going for you. That's the thing. And that is how you would be able to create more awareness for you. What exactly we should send every day? That depends upon you. Awareness, visibility, photo, content, information, guidance, articles, whatever you create, send them over. Send them over. That's the thing. That is extremely important.